In today's video, I'm gonna try to make a pizza. Well, I'm not that good at it, so please don't judge me. I'm gonna be making a 70% hydration dough, which basically means water makes up 70% of the dough weight. The recipe I'm gonna be using today calls for 100 grams of flour, 70 grams of water, 2 grams of yeast, and 4 grams of salt. In addition, you can also add some sugar and some olive oil. Once you have everything measured, add all the dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. I also added 2 grams of sugar to help the dough rise faster. After mixing all the dry ingredients together, add the water and a drizzle of olive oil. Now to knead the dough, you can either use a mixer with a dough hook attachment, or you can also knead by hand. Once everything's incorporated and smooth, add a drizzle of olive oil to keep the dough moisturized and let the dough rise for an hour and a half. I put mine in the oven with the lamp on to keep it at around 35-ish Celsius. While the dough was rising in the oven, I went out to get tomato paste for my pizza. Using a homemade sauce is recommended, but I was too busy and tired this day, so I just went out to get one from the store. Once the dough has either doubled or tripled in size, take it out of the oven and take it out to form a pizza. As I said before, I'm not a professional, so it took me a long time and it didn't even end up being good. So take your time and try to make it as circular and good as you can. As you can see, I ended up making a square pizza, but you can also make a circular one. Now for the tomato paste, you don't want to put too much or too little, and you also want to spread it as evenly as you can. And for my cheese, I just used some mozzarella cheese I had laying in my refrigerator. I also like to put some parsley on top of my pizza for that extra flavor. Make sure to preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius, and when you're done with the toppings, bake your pizza for like 15 to 16 minutes and make sure to place your pizza as close as you can to the heating element. Once it's done, take it out and put it on a heat-safe disk. You can serve it right away, but I like to add some extra cheese on top of my pizza. For that, I'll be using Grana cheese and Parmigiano Reggiano. Once you're done with that, cut your pizza with a pizza knife, not what I did, and enjoy. If you're still here, thank you so much for sticking around till the end, and make sure to like and subscribe for future videos.